There were people who were concerned with establishing data processing even before the word network was familiar in Korea. Their efforts and long history helped to build a foundation for Korea's leading industry of the modern world.
Sir, this is a proud and strong company that has been running for 30 years, a company that has had a long history of promoting Korea's industry.
We started doing this ever since the embryonic stage of computers. Back then, computers were being used in business management in Korea. So, in terms of data processing, I would say we are the living history. We had a very coherent plan from the beginning, with very minimal economical cost, collecting data in real time in the field as well as integrating it in order to make our data system a tool for business management. Their integrated management information system was based on an online database system. This was developed in Korea for the first time in 1979. At that time, it was quite innovative. Using the accumulated experiences of the personnel during development, they are now in a unique role to form the business environment beyond the 21st century. What we do is provide real-time data to managers or operators, and our job is to support data resources to be used as field management devices. In other words, what we do is provide and develop industrial data collecting devices, which collect field data such as PLC, barcode data, and RFID. We are also developing software such as WMS, MES, and SPC that can handle the collected data by processing.
I think the industrial field can be different from personal use, especially because of the nature of the industrial field. The device is exposed to rough elements like dust, noise, and shock.
We're helping an industrial field that has many variables, and our devices can be used smoothly. We firmly believe that it's important that our products can be operated 24 hours a day throughout the year without losing any quality. They provide antiviral computers for the processed food industry as well as the pharmaceutical industry. They have waterproofed computers for humid and dusty areas. Their tablet PCs are good for mobility, and they're also shock resistive. All of these products have the proper interface that meet industrial standards. Their products' quality competitiveness comes from their professional employees' efforts and strict quality management. In order to produce products that can be used in a variety of industrial fields, cutting-edge equipment has to be used to produce the products. A strict production system is needed to ensure that quality is retained. While producing industrial products, the most important factor is to test for each device's environmental standard. Vibration and temperature-wise, we do the direct tests. The dust, water, and shock tests are performed by professional firms who do that type of testing. They are sending technicians to IT exhibitions throughout the world, and by doing so, they research trends as well as the new emerging technologies, especially how these technologies can reflect on their products. They run independent booths and participate in 4 to 5 exhibitions throughout the year in Europe and the United States. Our ultimate goal is to keep the best quality in places such as factories and stores, and to keep running, even in the worst environments. It is important to us to ensure data collection and the use of data is working properly. Based on 30 years' experience, we will certainly apply the passion we have to achieve our goal. The world embraces products that are achieved through effort and passion. Throughout the world, their products will be recognized for domestic technical skills, and even by their existence, they are promoting themselves as a national brand. As a leader of the data process, they are competing beyond today and into the future.